Hello and welcome back to video 5. We've nearly finished putting all the text in. We're going to now put this list in, and that's going to appear beneath the line. So last video you saw me putting in this and we center aligned it, and I've got to put a gap in here. I'm going to click my cursor into there because I want to go and put in an unordered list. So into my insert tab, and here is my unordered list, which is going to show bullet points. So I'm going to click on that. But I also want to put in this list item. So my list item is going to be an unordered list. So I'm going to click in that too. Now then, I'm going to go to my Word document, and I'm interested in the text, not the text box. I shall go copy. Minimize that, and in between the LI I will go paste. Okay, so let's see if we can get rid of these dots first of all, because the dots are just text, and we'll be putting in the bullet points from the website in a minute. So let's create a list. So we're going to name our list item hash list. Enter return. Make sure it goes in our CS style and click off. Now then, I'm in here, and all I want to do is I want to press enter. And each time I press enter, we will be having a new line. Now, maybe you get this, couldn't commit the changes made in live view, refresh the live view. So you might need to go into view, split, code design, go file, save all, view, split, code live, and continue down. Hopefully you won't have that, but if you do, that's what you need to do. Press enter and enter. Okay, so what we have a list and then 3 other lists which are not yet named. So let me go and put that in. So here we go. I want to have it as hash list. Enter. And it can be a bit monotonous, but we'll get it done as quickly as we can. Into this one, hash and list. And here we are. And the last one. And we are done. Now then, what we want to do with all of these is to go into our CS designer, and we can get rid of 3 because although they are named, they're all going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to take off the bottom 3, and I'm going to put the properties into this one. So I'm clicking on CS designer, finding the properties, and there are a few things that I would like to do. The first one is to make sure that we have the dot points part of this blue rectangle, and to do that we need to look for line style position inside. So line style position, and it's this is outside, inside. So let's click on that. Then we want to have a bigger gap between these dot points. So for line height, we will have it as px, and you can decide how wide you'd want it. So I've gone up to 30 just to show that we have a bit of a gap, and then we want to do the text indent. So here I'm just going to go and use my slide again, and we're just going to pull it in. And if you'll notice in the Word document, it's set up like that. Right, so that's the text done. let's just go File, let's go Save All, and let's go down to the preview and let's click on Safari and just see what happens. And in our next video, what we want to do is, no matter what we do with the sizing of our web page, the text will act accordingly. So whether it's really big or really small, market will always stay in the same place. Anyway, that's where you need to get to. So thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the final video. Bye-bye.